Hey there! Welcome to our ice maker maintenance guide. Let's dive in and keep your machine sparkling and running smoothly. Unplug the unit, take out the drain plug, and let the water in the machine flow out completely. Place the drain plug back. Go ahead and fill the reservoir with fresh drinking water. Just press clean to begin the cleaning cycle. It'll take about 20 minutes to finish. Unplug the unit, take out the drain plug, and let the water drain out completely. After draining, put the drain plug back in place. All set. Just add clean water and press ice button to start making fresh ice. To keep your ice maker quiet and efficient, give it a monthly deep clean. This prevents scale buildup that can lead to noise. Follow these simple steps. Unplug the unit. Take out the drain plug and let the water in the machine flow out completely. Pour the ice maker cleaner into the water reservoir and mix it with water in a ratio of 1:5. Simply plug in your ice maker and hit the clean button. After the self-cleaning cycle finishes, unplug it and allow the solution to work its magic for 12 hours or more. Take off the drain cap to empty the water in the machine. Once drained, pop the drain plug back in place. Rinse by running the cleaning cycle twice with fresh water, then drain all the water out. Put the drain plug back. All set. Just add fresh water back into the machine, then press the ice button to start making ice again. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit euhomy.com and connect with us anytime.